Here is one of those pavers. That is probably 10 years old. And I don't know if you have seen when you clean that with some hot water, some boiling water, and then I'm going to spray paint that gold. Oh my gosh, it looks really cool. You can spray paint them any color you want, but for my purpose here, we're going gold. And these will need several days to cure. So I did not intend on doing this, but I figured if I got them done now, they can sit back here. This is the back corner of my yard. I kind of keep it this way for these kind of jobs that are a little bit messy. I don't have much yard. Okay, almost there. I want this somewhat soupy, and then I'm going to show you the main technique you need to do to get it to settle nice. These Gorilla carts are awesome, by the way. I think they've got them right now. If you've never had one of these Gorilla carts, what I'm using here, this it lifts up and drops everything. It's very, very useful. Okay. I hate being in a rush. At least this is something that doesn't perform, doesn't need any real skill or accurate cutting or anything like that. Okay. Good Lord, this pyramid's going to kill me. That's all right. We're going to get it done. You know, some people think Michelangelo was something special. I don't think he was anything special. No, I'm kidding. However, I could see where he could get addicted to building stuff. Okay. That looks like a little bit more. One more shot of water. Okay. Here we go. Andrea was like, you know it's about to rain, right? I'm like, yeah, I do. It's concrete though. Hey baby, how are you? How are you and Shelby? She's been watching. What's up, Daddy-o? My dad he made the Michelangelo comparison. He goes, you're out there working on your Davids. I'm like, yeah. Okay. Believe it or not, I have a concrete mixer back here, but I wanted everyone to see that you don't need a concrete mixer if you're not afraid to work a little, get dirty a little, right? No big deal, it's just a little water and dirt. And here we go. I think this is good. That's one of the big pavers. And that bad boy's going to look good gold. Been waiting all its life. Okay. Yep, look at that. See? That's not too bad. A little bit of work. Here we go. water feels so good. It has been so hot. Here we go. That's what I wanted. A little extra water in there. Okay. Right. So there's one. Two. Okay, so I have a couple more bags of concrete. I'll mix those on my own. I want to show you the last step here in case you decide that you would like to make your own pavers. Because this looks like a lot of fun, doesn't it? Fun for me. Fun. I know. I know. As one of my friends says, we're ballers on a budget. I can't afford everything I want, but I do have time. At least I think I have time. Okay, last step. There we go. A little more level. And that's it. You gotta vibrate out those bubbles and the rocks. You can see it's all bubbling up. That's it. So what I'm going to do with these is I've got a thing and I'm actually going to take them over somewhere level to dry. I just wanted you guys to see the process. People think this is cool. I had some people asking how the heck did you make them? There you go. But hey, you know what? Take a walk with me real quick. I want to show you guys something. So you're not completely like, what is he going through all this work for that thing? I promise it's cooler than that. I promise. Let me turn my water off before I forget. That was an old nozzle and it wasn't working. Everything's old. Everything I got's old anymore, man. Dang. So that's the gold version, right? So you can literally turn those from that concrete. You can dig it up 10 years later, clean it with some hot water, and make it look like that, which is pretty darn cool, right? That's pretty cool. And I have black ones out front, but all right, have a good day.